So we found a dead bird, and yeah, as we can see, it's in this Bandaid box, and his name is Bird, Bandaid the Bird. So we put him in the Bandaid box. Wait, guys, let's get a better look at him as he's about to get buried. Okay, shut the lid. Put him in the thing. Okay, this is a tough moment for us. We need to get the shovel and I guess bury him up. Yeah. I guess this is our goodbyes. I always knew Bird. He was a good man. It's gonna be sad, but I need to live on. And one of the happier moments, we have a tombstone that says "Rip that Bandaid Bird, June 2nd, 2017. Rip that bird." And that's all. And yes, it is very sad. So sad.